Question 1. So we first of all rewrite this. Say y is greater than minus 2x plus 4. And then we can write it as equation y equals minus 2x plus 4. And to plot the graph, I would say when x equal to 0, so if I put 0 here, that'll be 0 times minus 2, that's 0, then that means y equals 4, right? So that is y equals 4. What about when y equals to 0? So if I put 0 here, minus 2x can move to this side. So I get 2x plus 4. Divide both sides by 2, I get x equals 2. So that meant x equals 2. So those are the two coordinates I need to point to plot a straight line. I need 2 points to join a straight line. Now for the second one, I need to rewrite this. So I have minus y is less than 1 minus x. Now I need to multiply both sides by minus 1. I get y is greater than x minus 1, because the sign will change because I've multiplied by minus 1. Therefore, I can turn it into equation y equals x minus 1. When x is 0, y will be minus 1. And when y is 0, x will be 1 when y equal to 0. Because when y is 0, I just move minus 1 to this side. That means x equals 1, because minus 1 will become 1 on this side. Now this one is just y equals to 3. First of all, I'll be doing dotted line for this one. This will be dotted line as well. And this one will be solid line. So my coordinates 0, 4 and 2, 0. So let's draw a graph here. Y-axis. So this is y, and the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. And that's the x-axis, and the equation of the x-axis is y equal to 0. So let's we want positive 4 for y, so we need more values here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that x is 0, y is 4. So first point, x is 0, y is 4. It's the first point there. And x is 2, y is 0. So that's 1, 2 here. Y is 0. So that's 1. So second point. So now we can draw a straight line. We got the 2 points. So you're just going to draw a broken straight line. Second point is x is 0, y is minus 1. So we want x equals to 0, y is minus 1. That's that point there. And x is 1, y is 0. So to sketch that curve, it's going to go through right. And the equation for that is okay, so those are the points that we're looking at. The third one, y equals 3. So that's y is less or equal to 3. Okay, so the region we're interested in, we can now focus on that. That region will be, well, we want it to be less or equal to 3, so it's going to be below the line. So it will be below that line because it's less or equal to. So it will be on it and below it. So everything has to be below it. Right, good. It will be greater than or greater than that line. We want one greater than that line. So this is the line. And greater will be up above here. So that's greater than this line. Sorry, greater than this line will be up above here. So greater. So it's going to be above. So, and then the other one is this line here. This is below this line here. And this is above. Because that's up. And this is denominator. That's numerator. So we want the numerator of that line. So it's this one. Think of it as a dividing line. As a dividing line. So that's numerator or denominator. Do we want numerator or denominator? Well, it's greater than, so it's going to be numerator. So it's above here. So where we want is here. That's where we want. Shade where we want it. So that's where we want it. That's the region.